This video will show you how to automatically import media files. First, you need to specify a folder as Automated Import Source. So we create a new folder named Video Source in D Drive and copy some videos we're going to import into it. Open HQP VLib application and go to Setup dialog. Click the button to browse and specify audio import source. It can be set in local playout or a remote PC, but here we take local playout for an example. Tick the option, then media files in the source folder will not be removed after importing. When you're done selecting, click the button to save changes and the application will be restarted. Now let's go to the source folder. You can see that 10 folders are automatically generated for you to categorize your files. You may notice that here we not only import media files, but also a text file. The previous tutorial has shown you how to manually import a video clip with separate subtitle text file. It can also be done automatically. Just make sure file name of the video and the subtitle are identical. Now we're moving the files to the category they belong. When you're done, close the dialog and click the button to start importing. Then it starts importing from the first category. When all files in a category are imported, it goes to the next one. You may notice that after a file is imported, the system will idle for some time. This is for flow control so that the bandwidth can be well distributed. After all files in the source folder are imported, you can click the button to stop importing. Then you can go to the maintenance window to inquire and edit the metadata. One benefit of using the on-shelf video library is that the metadata will be recorded. So whenever you add these files into the playlist, you don't need to edit it again and again. Here, I'm going to show you how convenient it is by giving the following example. HQP VLib allows you to edit commercial breaks for your video. Click the button to open the video segmenting window. You can select how many segments you want this video to be cut. Please note that here we do not actually cut the video into 3 parts. It uses timecode to set in point and out point of each segment. You can double-click the segment to fine-tune in point and out point. You can either type or use the arrow keys to adjust it frame by frame. When you're done, click OK. Then you can see start time and end time of this segment has changed. Click the button to save your editing. After you save changes, the timecode will be shown here. You can also see it in this column. Now let's take a look at how it works with HQP vPlayer. When you open the broadcast software, you can add files from VLib database. All the imported files can be inquired here. You can click the button to add the selected clip into the temporary worksheet. Then click the button to add them into the playlist. Now you see the video clip we edited before is automatically cut into 3 parts. so you can insert commercials in between, which saves your man hours and decreases the chance of making mistakes.